Forget drag-and-drop simplicity. We're diving deep into how professional web developers really build stunning websites from scratch using Wix. First, ditch the standard Wix editor and embrace Editor X. It's built for developers, offering greater control over layout, breakpoints, and custom CSS. Think of it as Wix, but with superpowers. Start with a blank canvas. Resist the urge to use pre-made templates instead. Meticulously plan your site's structure, define the grid system, and establish breakpoints for responsive design before adding any content. Next, harness the power of Wix Velo. This is where the magic happens. Use JavaScript to add custom functionalities, connect to external APIs, and create dynamic content that goes beyond Wix's built-in features. We're talking interactive forms, custom animations, and personalized user experiences. Optimize for search engines from the get-go. Wix offers robust SEO tools. Use them. Connect Google Analytics and other tracking platforms to monitor your site's performance and make data-driven improvements. Collaboration is key. Utilize Wix's team management features to work efficiently with other developers or designers. Don't forget about security. Implement best practices to protect your site and your users' data. And there you have it. By mastering Editor X, Velo, SEO, and collaboration tools, you can leverage Wix to build truly professional and unique websites from scratch.